Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today we're going to be creative through the world of dance. Today is part of a series that I'm going to be doing about different forms of dance. There are lots of different types of genres of dance, and today we're going to talk about folk dance. So believe it or not, when I was in college, I was part of a folk dance team. The university that I went to had a team of about 250 of us. We were called the BYU International Folk Dancers. And funny thing is, my daughter actually, when she went to that college, was part of that dance group too. Our group performed at a lot of different functions. Halftime football games and basketball games. Sometimes we would go to different schools and put on workshops, perform for them, and teach them some folk dancing. Also did parades, and a lot of us actually went out of the country performing at different festivals. One of the big things we did every year was Christmas Around the World, where we would do different dances from all over the world. Here's me in a Hungarian costume. And here's another picture of me in a Polish costume. And this was for a Spanish medley that I did. My daughter did a dance from Bulgaria. And here's her in a Scottish dance. And here's a couple more of me. This time I am in a Czechoslovakian costume. I really like this one. Isn't it pretty? So let's talk about what exactly folk dance is. So folk dancing reflects the life of the people in certain countries or different regions of the world, always accompanied by traditional or folk music, of course. And as you could probably already tell, a lot of these dances are done at events, different community functions. I loved being a part of this group. Not only did I have some really good friends, but I learned a lot about the world and about different cultures. This gave me the opportunity to learn all about different cultures without actually going to the country. So whenever our group did go to festivals outside of the country, of course, we did our own folk dance from the USA. And typically that's square dancing, clogging. They did a lot of clogging. Virginia reel type things. I wish so bad I could kind of embed a little bit of video here for you to see, but because of copyright, I can't do that. So what I'm going to do is find some videos for you to look at, and then I'll put a link down in the description box below so you can click on those. And I highly recommend that you do that. You will be very much entertained. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it to be a little bit informative. And let me know down in the comment section below if you have ever done any folk dancing. And those of you who are watching me from a different country besides the US, I would like to know what your traditional folk dance is in your country. And have you ever danced it before? Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.